everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a trip to Dollar Tree to check out some of the hidden gems you won't believe at $1.25. We've got some new items. We've got some items that are new to me, so let's dive in. First up, we have this table mirror. This is perfect for getting ready in the morning or for your vanity setup. I love how you can fold it up and it would be great for travel. Check out these adorable beauty blenders. Now these are shaped like popsicles and hearts. Who knew blending makeup could be this cute? Next, I found these scented lip balms that are not only super functional, but are also so much fun. They come in flavors like red velvet, blueberry pie, lemon meringue, rainbow cookie, and coconut cream. These are such a steal for $1.25. And speaking of cute, look at this Alice in Wonderland themed makeup brush. The detail on this is amazing. Definitely a unique find. Next, we've got these gold sparkle hot and cold eye pads. Now these are going to be perfect for a relaxing self-care night or reducing puffiness in the morning. These heart-shaped sparkle bath bomb is another great self-care addition. And for your face and body, Dollar Tree has a Dove Body Love Beauty Cream, which is such a nice formula. I also appreciate the size of this, which would be perfect to go in your purse. I also found this vanilla sugar scented bath bomb, and guess what? You get 2 of these for $1.25. They had them in 2 different scents. Also great for self-care are these exfoliating gloves, and they are such a great deal. They look high quality and come in a fun color of this navy blue. Now let's check out some home essentials. These red mugs are perfect for Valentine's Day or any cozy night. They even have some matching wine glasses with colored bottoms. Now these wine glasses were glass, and what a great deal for $1.25 and perfect for a romantic night. Dollar Tree also brought out this very nice denim looking blue. They had the mugs with these in the same color, plus some bowls and some matching plates. I think these are going to be a great addition, and don't be scared of the price point at $1.25. I actually have some bowls from Dollar Tree that I've had for about 4 or 5 years, and they still have lasted me a very long time. So the quality here is amazing. Look how gorgeous this blue is. Right next to the blue, they also have this gray that had actually a kind of a green undertone with it, but it had the same style bowls and the same style cups. Check out this awesome dog toy made with bamboo fibers. Not only is it eco-friendly, but it also has an easy to grip shape, making it perfect for playtime with your furry friend. Such a great find for $1.25. For organizing your space, Dollar Tree has these muted color organization bins. They are both stylish and functional, which are perfect for decluttering. I know it's January, and if you are like me, I am just ready to declutter and just make everything kind of simple in my house. Now, I always say when you have clutter, your mind can be cluttered. So with a clean house, you can have a clean mind. And with the variety that Dollar Tree offers, you can find a basket to organize anything in your home. Next up, we have this 6-pack of cleaning sponges. These are super versatile with a scrubby side for tough messes and a soft side for more of a delicate surface. I think these would be perfect for dishes, countertops, cleaning your bathroom, and so much more. And you're getting 6 for $1.25. You really can't beat that. And they also come in some fun colors. And if you need something bigger, Dollar Tree also has this set of 2 oversized sponges. These are great for larger cleaning jobs like scrubbing down shower tubs. They're durable and perfect for tackling those heavy-duty messes. Next up, we have this hairspray by White Rain. It's a trusted brand that provides great hold without leaving your hair stiff or sticky. Perfect for keeping your style in place all day. We also have this Flex Extra Hold hairspray, and I think this would be another great option for updos, curls, or just taming flyaways. Up next, we have this First Aid Travel Kit. It comes with 36 assorted bandages, making it perfect to keep in your car, purse, or backpack for on-the-go emergencies. So if you have little kids, this is great to have in your car. I love these antibacterial wipes in the refreshing scent of Citrus Grove. Not only are they super handy for like cleaning messes and keeping germs at bay, but the pretty packaging makes them stylish. Next up, we have these wax strips for bikini and body. They're infused with cocoa butter, which helps keep your skin feeling smooth and moisturized afterwards, and a convenient and affordable option for at-home removal for $1.25. And for all the shaving enthusiasts out there, Dollar Tree has a dupe for the EOS Shave Cream. It's got the same creamy texture and smooth application, helping you achieve a close shave without the high price. I think this is definitely worth it for checking out for $1.25. I thought these were pretty cool. This was the Advanced Healing Gel bandages. Now, these only came with 4 bandages, but I think if you had like a blister on the bottom of your feet, this would give it a little bit of cushion. I don't know. I've never used these. Let me know down below if you have or what you've used this gel bandage for. For soft, smooth lips, Dollar Tree has these amazing options. First, we've got this Bliss Tex Lip Balm, which is perfect for restoring moisture balance and soothing sore lips. And if you're looking for extra hydration, check out the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula with vitamin E lip balm. It's great for keeping your lips soft and smooth all day. Both of these are must-haves for just $1.25. For some all-natural sinus relief, Dollar Tree has these Guru Saline pre-mixed packets. These are perfect for cleaning out your sinuses and providing relief from congestion, a simple, effective solution. And for an even more complete sinus care routine, Dollar Tree also has the Saline Rinse Bottle. It's designed to work with the saline pre-mixed packets for a full natural sinus relief. Great for relieving congestion and keeping your sinuses clear. Perfect for just $1.25. If you're looking for even more relief, Dollar Tree also has this nasal relief spray. It's perfect for quickly relieving nasal congestion and helping you breathe better. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing, as it really helps out my channel. For a flawless finish, we have these powder puff with cases. They come in several different colors like pink, purple, and blue, and are perfect for applying powder evenly. The case keeps everything neat and tidy, making it a great addition to your beauty routine. How adorable is this? Dollar Tree has this cute blue bear-shaped lip balm that says, "You're very nice." How sweet. For keeping your makeup in place all day, Dollar Tree has this makeup setting spray with a long-lasting matte formula. It's perfect for setting your makeup and controlling your shine. I am so excited to show you this next find, this Minnie Mouse oven mitt. They come in 3 adorable prints and add a fun touch to your kitchen. Whether you're cooking up something delicious or just need some protection, these mitts are cute as they are practical. I was so excited to see these Disney prints. For cozy meals, this soup mug with lid is perfect for enjoying soups, stews, or any hot beverage. The lid helps keep everything warm and makes it easy to store leftovers, which I definitely appreciate. Next up, we have this handy container for yogurt cups, and it even comes with a lid. It's perfect for storing your yogurt or even snacks and keeping them fresh and easy to take on the go. For your meal prep needs, Dollar Tree has this lunch storage tower. It's a multi-tiered container that is perfect for organizing different foods, keeping everything separate and fresh. A great option for packing lunch for work or even school. And they came in so many different muted colors. For all you car owners, we have this microfiber cleaning sponge specifically for your car. It's perfect for wiping down surfaces, cleaning windows, and even detailing your vehicle without leaving scratches. For all your DIY and repair needs, we've got this variety of glues here at the Dollar Tree. Whether you need super glue, multi-purpose cement, there's mounting tape, epoxy, wood glue, or flow control super glue, they've got you covered. These are perfect for fixing things around the house, tackling craft projects. I mean, who knows what? But at $1.25, this is a great option with so many different glues to choose from. For a quick and easy lighting solution, Dollar Tree has this push light. It's perfect for adding light to dark spaces like closets, cabinets, or even hallways. Just pop in 3 AAA batteries and you're good to go. For a pop of color in your home, Dollar Tree has these small glass vases in the beautiful shades of green, yellow, purple, and hot pink. They're perfect for adding decorative touches to any room or holding small flowers. Such a cute and affordable way to brighten up your space for $1.25. Is it ever too early for Peeps? Well, I don't think so. They are my favorite. Dollar Tree has these Peeps out already, and they come in some unique flavors. Whether you love the classic or wanting to try something new, they've got you covered. For staying hydrated on the go, Dollar Tree has these adorable water bottles with like a rubber outside plus a lid and a convenient way to maybe possibly clip this to your bag or backpack. They come in so many bright colors, yellow, pink, and are perfect for spring. Next up, Dollar Tree has these gallon jug water bottles with lid and straw. It comes in pastel colors, making it a fun and stylish way to stay hydrated throughout the day. How adorable is this? This Peeps themed cup with a bunny peep ear lid and straw. It's a fun and festive way to enjoy your drinks, perfect for Easter or just to brighten up your day. It's cute and functional find for just $1.25. If you're looking to add a little extra sparkle to your space, Dollar Tree has this Peeps Bunny LED light for just $5. It's perfect for Easter decoration to brighten up your room with a fun festive glow. These do require batteries. Down the Dollar Plus aisle, I also found this gorgeous solar lantern for just $5. It's perfect for adding some ambient light to your yard, patio, or garden. Simply place it outside and it'll charge during the day to light up your nights. What a great find for your outdoor space. I found this 15 bulb light set for just $5. It's a great way to add some cozy lighting to any room, patio, or outdoor space. These lights will brighten up your space in a fun, festive way. If you're looking to organize, Dollar Plus has these stackable drawers for just $5. They're perfect for keeping your space neat and tidy, whether in your office, closet, or bathroom. Great way to stay organizing without breaking the bank.